Good morning, student. In mathematics of standard 10th, we are going to start new chapter number 11, constructions. Now, if there are given some measures to draw any shape, to draw any figure, then we can draw it easily. If there are given some shape, there are points and some measures, radius, height, length, breadth, height, any of some measures are given, then you can easily draw the figure. But if you want to draw a figure without any measurement, but the shape should be as we want, so that how can we, it is possible if we want to divide one any divide any line, if we want to divide any line in two part, then how it is possible without any measurement? If you know that let there is given line segment 5 centimeter, if there is given line segment 5 centimeter, then if you want to divide it in two parts, then we know that the half of 5 is 2.5, half of 5 centimeter is 2.5 centimeter. Then easily we take a scale and we draw it in the between, then it is a half of the line segment. But now we want to divide it in a half or in the some ratio 3 by 2, 2 by 3. So how can it is possible? So it is possible by some method, so that we are going to discuss in this first lecture, part 1. The topic that we are going to learn here, division of a line segment. How can we divide a line segment by given some ratio? We want to divide it 3 by 2, means first part is 3 centimeter and second part is 2 centimeter, that is ratio 3 by 2. If there is given 10 centimeter and we want to divide it 7 by 3, then first part will be 7 and second part will be 3 centimeter. So we want to divide it in some ratio, in some part. So we understand how can we do that. So for that division of a line segment, we are going to divide a line segment by some ratio, but not that here the measure of line segment will be not given. So we have, that is how possible to divide the given line segment in given some ratio. So for that, suppose a line segment is given and you have to divide it in a given ratio, say 3 by 2, 3 colon 3, 3 colon 2. Here given the ratio 3 colon 2. So how we can divide the ratio as given here? So let the given line segment is here. Now if we know the measure, the size of the given line segment, then we can easily divide it in a ratio 3 colon 2. But now we want to divide the given line segment, but we don't know the size of given line segment. If we have the size of line segment, then we can easily put the dot on that point and we can say that the division of the division of line segment is in the ratio 3 colon 2. Now but how it is possible? How it is possible? It is a big question for us. So we solve this problem, that division of a line segment by construction 11.1, that how can we divide the given line segment in given ratio. So that here the construction 11.1, the first construction is given here 11.1, to divide a line segment in given ratio. So we construct first construction. So how can it is possible to divide a line segment in given ratio? For that given line segment AB, we want to divide into it in a ratio m colon 3 m colon n, where both m and n are positive integer. To help you to understand it, we shall take m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 2. Now we want to divide the given line segment in the it in a ratio 3 colon 2. Now for that we construct the construction. For that we follow some steps that you have to remember it. So pay attention here. First, what here the given line segment AB with unknown size. Here you can see that it is a line segment AB given with unknown size. We don't know the size of the given line segment, but now we want to divide it in a given ratio 3 colon 2. For that, first we construct an angle. We are going to construct an angle on one of the point A or B, one of the end point of the given line segment A or B. So we construct an angle on end point A by taking some random angle. We will construct angle as given here. So it is a given angle that we want to draw here. So first thing that we are the first step that we are going to construct here an angle by drawing in such way. So here given angle BAX or XAB, as we want to find XAB or BAX is given angle. Here you can see that. Now here given AX ray AX. Here you can see that AX ray. Now by taking some accurate value, we max cut on this AX ray. We are going to make some cuts on given AX ray that in equal parts. Here given that we want to make ratio in 3 colon 2. So we take addition of 3 and 2, that is 5. Addition of 3 and 2, that is 5. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So we are make some parts on AX. Here we want to make 5 parts on AX, but the size of parts should be equal. We start from A. Here we make one cut, then by the rounder, take rounder and take some radius and taking center A. By taking center A, you make one arc on given ray AX, such as here, and it is give this number point name A1, because we have drawn the angle on taking the vertex A. So we put it here A1. So you have taken some radius and drawn one arc, as you can see here. Now don't change the value of radius. You have taken the rounder and drawn one arc here. Now don't change the radius of that arc, and now take A1 as a center and once again draw arc on AX as well as here. Then you say this A2. Now once again here you can see that if you don't change the radius of the given, if you don't change the radius of rounder, then you can find that A1 and A1 A2 will be same part. Here you can find small segment A1 and A1 A2 with same equal size, because you have not changed the radius, so you can find both part are equal. As well as you can also, we want to divide it in a 5 parts, because here 3 plus 2 that is equal to 5, so we have to divide it in a how many parts? 5 parts. Once again, take A2 as a center, then you draw an arc here, say it A3. Once again, take A3 as a center, don't, and remember that we are not going to change the radius of rounder. Once again, take A3 and draw arc on a given AX ray and say that A4, and after then last, and it is A5. So here you can find 5 similar part: A1 A1, A1 A2, A2 A3, A3 A4 and A4 A5. Here 5 line segments are equal, because the radius, by the radius you have drawn arc, all are same. So here you can find 5 similar line segment on ray AX. So now what we are going to do, here we are going to join B with last point A2. We are going to join B with A5. We are going to join B with A5 as well, as you can see here. By ruler you can draw join A25 or BA5, BA5, B point B and point A5 joint, and we can find line segment BA5, as you can see here. Now here you can see that here you can find one angle A4 at FIB. Here you can find one angle. Now we want to make this angle here A3, on the point A3 here. We want to make this angle similar this angle on the point A3, vertex A3. For that, how can we draw similar angle here? As you know that we first draw such a circle here by taking A5 as a center. What you take? A5 as a center, you draw some circle, half circle, semicircle here. Now don't change the value of rounder by that you have drawn the circle on A5. जो आपने यहाँ पे A5 पे जो जितना सर्कल ड्रॉ किया है जिस रेडियस से, उस रेडियस को बिना चेंज किए आप कहाँ पे तो कि A3, जो A3 है, A3 पे आप उतना ही सर्कल ड्रॉ करें, लेकिन आपको रेडियस चेंज नहीं करना है। याद रखना है, रेडियस चेंज नहीं करना है। तो इस तरह का आपको एक यहाँ पे सर्कल ड्रॉ कर देंगे। अब क्या करना है, आपको यहाँ पे जो पॉइंट मिला, यहाँ पे नीचे, यहाँ पे जो आपको पॉइंट मिला, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक, अब इतनी रेडियस लीजिए। कितनी रेडियस लेनी है हमें? यहाँ से लेके इतनी रेडियस लेके राउंडर से जो इतना रेडियस है वो रेडियस लेके फिर से आपको यहाँ पे सेंटर रख के यहाँ पे आपको एक आर्क ड्रॉ करना है। तो इस तरह से आप आर्क ड्रॉ करेंगे तो आपको ऐसे एक आपको साइज मिलेगा। अब क्या है तो कि जो A3 है, A3 में से और ये जो इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट है, दोनों आर्क की जो इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट है और A3 में से एक लाइन ड्रॉ करें। सो इस तरह की एक लाइन आपको मिलेगी। और जो ये लाइन है ये AB को जहाँ पे कट करे, वहाँ पे इंटरसेक्ट करे, वहाँ पे आपको लिख दे C। सो here you know that this given line segment, यहाँ पे जो A5 जो लाइन सेगमेंट है, इतना साइड लाइन सेगमेंट कहाँ से लेके, यहाँ से लेके इतना सा जो लाइन सेगमेंट है वो कितने 5 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया है। कितने 5 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया है। तो आप इतना रेशियो है उसे किस तरह से लिख सकते हैं, 3/2। ये जो A5 है जो लाइन सेगमेंट, वो 5 पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड है, सिमिलर 5 पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड है। तो आपको अगर इतना भाग मीन्स इतना भाग और इतना भाग है, दोनों को आपको रेशियो में लिखना है, तो किस तरह से आप लिख सकते हो 3/2। एंड सिमिलरली यू कैन से दैट बाय द थेल्स थियरम, you can see here by taking the ratio of A1 by A3, A1 A3 by A2 A5 and AC by CB. So we can find 3. So it is apart in a similar term 3/2. So we have divided the given line segment line segment AB in the given ratio. This is 3 and this is 2. So it is a ratio in the ratio 3:2. So by this way we can divide any line segment in this form. So the step that we have followed, first what we do, draw any ray AX making an acute angle with AB. Then what we do, locate phi, y phi is equal to m plus n points A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5 on the AX, so that AA1 is equal to A1, A2 is equal to A2, A3 is equal to A3, A4 is equal to A4, A5. The value of all these small line segments are equal. So by this way we can divide the AX in some 5 parts. Then what we do, then we join BA5, point B and point A5 we have joined. Then we can find join BA5. Step 4, through the point A3, because we want to divide it in 3:2 ratio, so we take A3. Draw a line parallel to A5B. For that we have to make an angle equal to the angle AF5B at A3 intersecting AB at point C that you have drawn in figure. Then AC colon CB is equal to 3:2. Then AC colon CB is equal to 3:2, as you can see that. Now that we have verified how it is possible, let us see how this method gives us the required division. Since A3C see in the figure, A3C is parallel to A5B, therefore by the Thales theorem AF3 divided by A3 A5 is equal to AC by CB. By the basic property theorem, it is a Thales theorem. If the base of any angle is parallel to the base of any triangle is parallel to the middle line passing through other lines, then we can take the ratio as given here. So we know that A1 A3 by A3 A5 is in the ratio 3/2. It is in the ratio 3/2. So here you can see that both ratio are equal. Then we take AC by CB is equal to 3/2. Hence we have converted or we have divided the line segment in the given ratio. Alternatively, this shows that C divides AB in the ratio 3:2. Now there is one alternately construction that we can construct also, that we also can divide the given line segment in given ratio. So that the alternative method, for that we have to draw one line segment unknown with unknown size A and B as given here. Now what we do, we draw one acute angle by taking AX ray starting from the vertex A as well as here. Now one more angle we are going to draw from using the vertex B, BY ray. Here we are going to draw BY ray विच एक्यूट एंगल दैट वी हैव ड्रॉन हियर, जो यहाँ पे हमने ये जो एंगल बनाया है ना ABAX और XAB जो हमने एंगल बनाया, इसी माप का एक एंगल है, वो यहाँ पे हमें ड्रॉ करना है, यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करना है। तो उसके लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, पहला तो एक राउंडर से कुछ रेडियस लेके यहाँ पे एक इतना सा एक रेडियस, एक सर्कल ड्रॉ कर दो। आप इस तरह का एक सर्कल ड्रॉ कर दो। आप ऐसे बी को यहाँ पे सेंटर लेके आपने इस तरह का एक सर्कल ड्रॉ कर दिया। अब क्या, तो क्या हमें इतना एंगल चाहिए, तो अब क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे यहाँ से आप जो राउंडर है वहाँ से रेडियस इतना ले, कितना रेडियस लेंगे, इतना रेडियस राउंडर का यूज़ करके आप इतना रेडियस लेंगे, कितना रेडियस, इतना रेडियस लेके यहाँ पे एक पॉइंट रखेंगे और दूसरा यहाँ पे एक पॉइंट रखेंगे। तो इतना रेडियस जो मिलता है उसे यहाँ पे पॉइंट रख के आपको उतना रेडियस यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करना है, इस तरह से। इस तरह से आपको ड्रॉ करना। अब क्या, जो वर्टेक्स बी है उसमें से और जो यहाँ पे इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट मिला है उसमें से एक लाइन इसमें से आपको ड्रॉ करनी है, एक रे ड्रॉ करना है वर्टेक्स बी से स्टार्ट होते हुए। तो इस तरह का एक लाइन सेगमेंट आपको ड्रॉ करना है, जो बी में से और यहाँ जो इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट है उसमें से वो हमें उसको एक लाइन सेगमेंट, एक रे इसे यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करने हैं, जिसे हम कहेंगे BY रे। क्या कहेंगे उसे, BY रे। तो यहाँ पे आपने देखा पहले क्या किया, हमने एक लाइन सेगमेंट ऐसे ड्रॉ कर दिया, फिर जो यहाँ पे हमने ऐसी रे मिलाई, AX रे और B रे, जिसका एंगल, दोनों का एंगल कैसा है, सेम है, दोनों का एंगल कैसा है, सेम है। फॉर दैट टू मेक अ सेम एंगल वी नो दैट वी टेक सम रेडियस एंड वी टेक B एज अ सेंटर एंड वी ड्रॉ one half semicircle is here, and then we take the size, the angle of here, and we draw one arc as given here, and the intersecting point of these two arc and point B, we are going to draw one ray BY from the given 2 points. Then we can find some two angle, equal angle. Now we want to divide the given line segment in two parts, in the in the given ratio 3:2. So first we divide the AX ratio in 3 parts, equal parts. Here we take 3 equal parts on AX ratio, AX ray, and we take 2 parts on BY ray, 2 equal parts. जिस माप के 3 पार्ट से यहाँ पे हम AX पे लेंगे, उसी माप के तो 2 पार्ट से वो कहाँ पे लेंगे, हम BY रे पे लेंगे, जैसे हमने कंस्ट्रक्शन आगे की जो कंस्ट्रक्शन है उसमें किया था। तो पहले क्या करेंगे, एक को सेंटर लेके हम यहाँ पे एक आर्क ड्रॉ करेंगे, जिससे हम पॉइंट कह देंगे A1। फिर से A1 को सेंटर लेके हम फिर से एक आर्क ड्रॉ करेंगे, तो हमें क्या मिलेगा, A2 पॉइंट। अभी 3 पार्ट में तो 2 पार्ट हो गए, अभी 3 पार्ट में हमें उसको कन्वर्ट करना है। तो वन मोर याद रखना है, रेडियस नहीं चेंज करना, आपका जो राउंडर है राउंडर का रेडियस चेंज नहीं करना है, उसे ऐसे ही रखना है। फिर से A2 को सेंटर लेके आपको फिर से एक आर्क ड्रॉ करना है AX पर, तो आपको A5 यहाँ A3 यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा। अब उसी माप का जो आपने यहाँ पे A1 A2 और A3 पॉइंट मिला है ना, उसी माप की रेडियस से आपको B को सेंटर लेके आपको इस तरह का एक आर्क ड्रॉ करना है, उसको आप B1 कहेंगे। उसी तरह से आपको फिर से B1 को सेंटर लेके आपको फिर से एक आर्क ड्रॉ करना है यहाँ पे, तो आपको B2 मिलेगा। तो जो BY जो रे है उसको आपने 2 पार्ट में, 2 इक्वल पार्ट में आपने इसको डिवाइड किया, और AX को आपने 3 इक्वल पार्ट आपने उस पर बनाए। अब क्या है कि जो AX पे जो A3 पॉइंट है और BY पे जो B2 पॉइंट है, दोनों को ज्वाइन कर दे। क्या कर दे, दोनों को ज्वाइन कर दे। तो आपने देखा इनको जो A3 B2 जो लाइन सेगमेंट है, A3 B2 जो यहाँ पे A3 B2 जो लाइन सेगमेंट है वो AB को यहाँ पे एक पॉइंट पे, पॉइंट C पे इंटरसेक्ट करता है। तो अब जो पार्ट मिल गए हमें AC बाय CB, वो किस रेशियो में होगा, 3:2 रेशियो में होगा। तो इस तरह से हमें जो लाइन सेगमेंट दिया गया है उसको हम इस पार्ट में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं। वैसे ही अब इसके जो कंस्ट्रक्शन के स्टेप है कुछ इस तरह से हम लिख सकते हैं। द स्टेप ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन, फर्स्ट draw any ray AX making an acute angle with AB, as we know that, as well as draw a ray BY parallel to AX by making angle ABY equal to angle BAX, as we know. Locate the point A1, A2, A3, M is equal to 3 because the ratio in the ratio numerator is 3 on AX, and B1, B2, that is N is equal to on BY, such that AA1 is equal to A1, A2 is equal to A2, A3 is equal to B1, BB1 is equal to B1, B2. Now let's join A3, B2. Let it intersect AB at a point C. Then AC colon CB is equal to 3 colon 2. That is the required ratio. Here you can find two similar, congruent or similar. There are two similar triangle. Triangle A3C is similar to triangle B2C. Why? Because they are similar, because you can find by some similarity of triangles. So here you can find AA3 by BB2 is equal to AC by BC. Here we know that AA3 is 3 and BB2 is 2. Then we can write the ratio AC by BC is equal to 3 by 2. That is the required ratio. By this way you can construct any or we can divide any line segment in the given ratio. So that you can solve exercise number 11.1. There is given one example, example number 1. That is you divide one given line segment in given the ratio. Solve it by yourself.